know what to do. Stand on your head. Look at yourself backwards in the mirror.
That feels so much better. No more sneezing. I'm cured.
What? Hang on. This isn't right.
We've got the hiccups.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, I know how to cure hiccups. You stand on your head.
I think it's working.
Hang on, I know another one. Drink a glass of water backwards.
Harder than it sounds.